Insight presents In the Kitchen with Inspired Nutrition by Kelley, brought to you by Fresh Thyme.
Welcome back to Insight. We're at Fresh Thyme here at Coldwater and Coliseum, right across from Glenbrook Square Mall. Kelley, what are we making today?
Well, today we are making blackened cod tacos.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, blackened is always one of those things when I see it on a menu at a restaurant or I see it on a recipe idea, I like the taste of it. I have no idea really what it is.
That's right. Well, I'm going to show you a nice little mixture. The most complicated part of this recipe is just it's got some different spices in it, but each one of these is medicinal for you in a different way. So the first one I'm doing here is paprika, and it's about a teaspoon and a half.
Okay.
And these spices, are not only flavorful, this is oregano, but they're also, like I said, medicinal, so they help with like circulation. Cayenne can actually stop bleeding. If you're bleeding externally, it can do amazing things. Garlic powder, immune system, every one of these things, onion powder, they're all just so terrific for us. So we just get like those 5 spices and we just mix them all together here, very simply.
Yep.
And then you just want to throw it onto the cod.
That was pretty easy.
That's all you have to do, really. You want to generously get it all over there, ribbon it in a little bit, and you're set. So the cod we got, of course, from Fresh Thyme's market. Their fish selection is excellent, so definitely check it out. We made this at our house, and we just couldn't stop eating it. It's so good and tender, delicious. So with that, what we do, we'd fry that in the pan a little bit, both sides. It takes like 4 minutes aside. We'll set that aside, and then we have our fish, our cod, all ready. And then I'm just going to throw together a quick little salsa.
See that? No, I did that. That's
you did that part. That's great. Grab some corn for me, throw it in there. This is right off the cob. I just chopped it right off. And
so
then
that hasn't even been cooked, right?
Hasn't even been
still
cooked.
Raw. Yep.
Just took it right off the cob.
Yep.
And these are organic black beans from Fresh Thyme.
So we drain those, or did those come? Okay, so that came out of a jar?
Exactly. They came out of a jar and we just drained them. And then we've got some red onions and some really beautiful peppers here. And really nice. And some garlic. And if you're feeling feisty, a little jalapeno.
Nice.
Yes. So this is kind of going to be the dressing on top of that taco. And then we're just going to do a really simple little dressing on top of that as well.
Okay.
So in this one, we're just going to do a half a cup of the sour cream.
Gotcha.
Which is really nice from grass-fed cows. Really good stuff. So about a half can of that.
Yeah, it's so cool when you walk around here at Fresh Thyme and you see like an improvement on everything. Like you could get sour cream, but then you can get the grass-fed, version of sour cream that is going to have better fats for you, better nutritional value, and still taste great.
You're exactly right.
And still cost, the same. That's the thing. I mean, you're not paying hardly anything extra to get better food.
Yes, that's exactly right. The prices are so good, and start where you are, start upgrading just a little bit at a time. Choose some really good whole food, quality ingredients, add some superfoods, and all those things are available to you here at Fresh Thyme. So with this, I'm doing this pretty quickly, but really all we have here is sour cream, some avocado. I might use a little bit more of that avocado, and a little bit of lime. It's just a really nice little
kind
topping.
of making a guacamole there. That's
right. Yeah. Instead of just your sour cream, we've added some avocado and cilantro and lime, and it just spiced it up. And it only took us a second to do that, right?
All right. So then we just assemble this.
Yes.
Got all the ingredients together. Took really about maybe 10, 15 minutes to make. If you want to find the recipe, go to WPTA21.com. If you want to save a lot of money, get the app for Fresh Thyme from your app store. We will be right back on Insight.